Hello everyone, and welcome back to NextGen Network. In today's video, I'll walk you through the complete process of creating your account, verifying your email, and completing your KYC. It's super simple, so let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open an account. To do this, click on the referral link provided by your upline leader. If you don't have a referrer, don't worry. Just contact our official support team and they'll be happy to assist you. Once you're on the registration page, click the sign up button. You'll see a form that needs to be filled out carefully. The first box, enter your first name. The second, enter your last name. Next, type in an active email address you have access to. Now, it's time to create a strong password. Make sure it includes at least one lowercase letter, one uppercase letter, one number, and one special character, like the @ symbol. Re-enter that same password in the fifth box to confirm it. Finally, check the box to agree with the terms, click register, and then hit submit. Great. Now that you've registered, the next step is to verify your email address. You'll be taken to another form. Here you'll need to fill in your username, country, mobile number, full address, state, zip code, and city. Once you've entered all the details accurately, click submit. Check your email inbox. You should receive a verification code from us. Copy that code, head back to the website, paste it into the designated box, and click submit. And just like that, your email address is successfully verified. You're one step closer. This is a crucial step for security. Click on the KYC link provided on your dashboard. This will open the KYC form. Fill in your first name and last name again. Then enter your national ID number. After that, you'll need to upload a clear image of the front side of your ID card and then another image of the back side. Once all the information and documents are uploaded, click submit. Please be patient for a little while. The NextGen Network admin team will carefully review your documents and you'll receive a notification as soon as your KYC is approved. And that's it. You're all set up and ready to go. If you need any more help or have questions, check out the description box below this video. We've included all the official links to our support channels. Our team is available anytime to help you out. Thank you for watching. Remember, with NextGen Network, you invest smart and grow strong. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. I'll see you in the next video.